Hello, my first resource that I found to use in the classroom is called Newsela. I selected this particular resource because it provides articles in reading levels for the students. My students that I teach in 5th and 6th grade, their reading levels range from 2nd grade to 7th grade. So when I found this, I was very excited. That way I could give them articles at their reading level, and I could use this as um, a resource for them to go with the content we're using. What I also liked about it is that it also has current event articles on it, so I could use it if I wanted to do current events. I also liked that there are articles in Spanish on Newsela, so for my 6th grade students, um, that speak Spanish, I could give them the Spanish articles. This is loading, and I just clicked on science so that I could show you a few of the science videos. My intended audience will be the students. The students, like I said, will use this to, I will assign articles for them to read and that go along with the content area. So here are a few science articles that I found. Right now my 6th graders are studying body systems, so when we get to the circulatory system, this is an assignment that I will assign to them so that they can read it, and it will give them more information than what I'm giving them in class. So thank you for your time.